When we think about learning, many of us picture children in classrooms with textbooks in their hand and the teacher at the blackboard. But learning is not confined to childhood. It's a lifelong process. For adults, however, the way they approach, absorb, and apply knowledge is often very different from the way children do. This is where andragogy, the theory and practice of adult learning, comes in. Coined and developed by educator Malcolm Knowles in the 20th century, andragogy outlines the unique characteristics of adult learners and offers principles to guide effective teaching, training, and professional development. Understanding these principles is essential for trainers, managers, educators, and anyone working in adult education. In this video, we'll explore the 6 key principles of adult learning. These principles explain how adults learn differently from children and how we can design better trainings for adults. The first key principle is self-concept. As people grow older, they become more independent. Adults like to have control over their own learning. They don't want to be treated like children who just sit and listen. Instead, adults want to be involved in setting goals, making choices, and guiding their own learning path. In short, adults learn best when they feel responsible and in charge of their learning. The second key principle of adult learning is experience. Adults bring a wealth of past experiences into the classroom or training room. These experiences shape how they understand new information. That's why discussions, stories, and case studies work so well. They connect the new ideas to what the learners already know. In short, past experiences are a powerful learning resource in adult learning. The third key principle of adult learning is the readiness to learn. Adults usually learn when they need to. For example, someone may want to learn a new software because it helps them at work, or learn parenting skills because they just had a child. If learning is not relevant to their current life, it often doesn't stick. In short, adults are ready to learn when it solves their immediate problems. The fourth key principle of adult learning is the orientation to learning. Children often learn subjects for the future, like math or history, without always seeing the immediate use. But adults want learning that is practical and focused at solving a problem. They prefer to learn things that can be applied today, in real situations. In short, adults want learning that helps them solve real-life problems. The fifth key principle of adult learning is motivation. Sure, adults may care about certificates, promotions, or recognition. But their strongest motivation comes from within. They are driven by things like self-confidence, job satisfaction, and personal growth. In short, adults learn best when they feel internally motivated, not just pushed by external rewards. And the sixth key principle of adult learning is the need to know. Adults need to know why they are learning something. If they don't see the reason or the benefit, they're less likely to engage. So, always explain the why up front, why this matters, how it helps, and where it applies. In short, adults must understand the purpose of learning before they commit to it. There you have it, the 6 key principles of adult learning. When we keep these in mind, learning becomes more effective, practical, and engaging for adults.